Okay, kindergartners, just like you are learning right now, Miss Siegel's learning too. Using these online tools is really hard for Miss Siegel, and she's trying to figure out all by herself at home. So we're both struggling right now, and we are both learning, but I think I figured out something new today. I can write on my screen. Right now, I only know how to make it yellow, but it's going to be a start for us. So for this little practice sheet here, we are just making groups of 5. So in each box, we are going to make a total of 5, which means we're going to combine the number of circles we already have with some new circles that we are going to draw. The directions say draw more to make 5. I'm going to show you a couple, and then I want you to do the rest in your journal by yourself. Let's look at this one right here. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. How many more do we need to make 5? Just one more. So we're going to draw one circle. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's look at the next one. We have 1, 2, 3. Think in your head the combinations that we can make to use to make 5, or look at your fingers and hold up 3 of them. If you're holding up 3 fingers, how many more fingers do you need to make 5? That's right, 2 more. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's look at this side of the page because this looks trickier to me. I see circles that are split apart, so it's like we already have a combination, but the combination doesn't equal 5. So we're going to have to look at how many total we have and then still add some more to make that 5. Look at the top one here. I see 1, 2 on this side and 1, 2 on that side. 2 and 2 equals 4. So then how many more do we need to make 5? One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at the bottom one. I see 1, 2, 3. How many more do I need? 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you think you can do the rest on your own? Try and copy them in your journal and then add the rest that you need to make 5.